Okay everybody, so what we're going to be talking about is the SportPet Designs Kennel. That's the Pro Pop Open large size. This is the design to hold up to a dog that's 70 pounds. They come in a various array of different colors and they fold up to this size. So it's easily transportable, it's easily storage wise as far as putting it away, and it's not going to be taking up a lot of room. This is the packaging that it came in. As you see here, it says for large dogs, oh, 75 pounds, not 70 pounds. My bad, sorry about that. You can't put this on plain, you have to have the hard ones for this. However, if you're going camping, if you're going on a road trip, if you have two dogs, it just needs to be separated. Or if your dog sleep in a kennel, they can use this as well, and it folds up to this. Throw it in your backpack, throw it in your car, and you're on your way. Another way that you could use it is if you're just out traveling on your day-to-day with your dog and you needed to do some other things and you're at the park, you can put them inside of this while you're doing your things. For whatever reason you forgot the leash, or you can't keep an eye on them because you don't want to leave them in the car. So let me show you how easily that this actually works. This is the back of the packaging and it actually shows you here. So this is the configurement that it is in right now. You can also, if you wanted to leave it this way, you could leave it this way and just slide it into your car, and then it pops open to this, and it's going to have zippers and it has that mesh so that the wind can blow through. As you see, the happy dog is here. You can actually buckle it into your vehicle, which is these right here. However, it is soft mesh, and the only thing it's really going to do is keeping your dog from flying if you get into an accident. But it's also not going to hurt them like if it was a hard one as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, sorry. And so this is what it looks like here. Easily storable. Go ahead and pop that off. And then as you see, it's unfolding. And then it opens up to this. So this is how thin it is. If you were going to just slide it into the back of your car this way, it doesn't take up any room. This is how big it is. Now remember, this is the large size. They have smaller sizes. Open up, and I don't know how big a dog that they'll take, but this one is for 75 pounds. And then just open it this way, and it pops into place. So there you have it, just like that. Oops, upside down. Just like that. And have the zipper front that keeps them in right here. It's got a nice piece of Velcro that keeps that, and so it just folds down just like that. And then you go ahead, you can zip it, you put them in there, and then there you go. It doesn't weigh anything at all whatsoever. Holds a 75-pound dog, and it's not meant for a complete, I'm gonna keep my dog in here all the time. Especially puppies, because if they're rambunctious, because this is soft-sided, they can chew right through this. So I'm just gonna roll it back up, just like that, and then you Velcro it back. So there you go. You have all of that space, see-through, the wind's blowing on both sides. It's been tested for safety and health. It very much does provide a better quality of living, especially with, we were talking about these straps here that can be used to hook into your car as far as the seat belts go. So your dog isn't just rambling around in the back, especially in case of that emergency. It's quality, it's performance, it's a driven product just for your pet. Yeah, the SportPet design, that kennel pop-up, I love that. I do have one of the hard ones as well. I hardly ever use it anymore, simply because I can't carry it with me as easily as I can carry something like this. This is my second one that I have now, and yeah, it looks beautiful. Let's see if Lily wants to get in. Lisa, you wanna come in? You wanna come in? You wanna come in? No, you don't wanna come in? She doesn't want to come in right now. But yeah, that's it. That is the SportPet pop-up kennel. Yeah, with that one door, it comes in a bunch of different sizes. This is the large, 75 pounds. Absolutely loved it. Like I said, this is my second one. Yeah, y'all have a great one.